Hello students, we today comes with another modulus question. We have to solve this question which is in under mod. Okay, so before solving this question, we should to know about something about modulus function. So modulus function says if you have any value under mod, so it will be positive x if x will be greater than or equal to 0, and it will be negative x when x will be 0 less than 0. To solve this question, we should to draw a number line, and we put here as a 0 and here 3. Okay, and here plus 3. Now see, here is minus 3. Now see, our critical point is minus 3, so we will consider as 3. So here now let's see, if we take any value which are greater than 3, so it always comes in positive, because suppose we are going to take 5, so 5 minus 3 it gives positive value. So always this x minus 3 will come this side, because we are going to take the value of x which are greater than 3. Okay, so x minus 3 equal to 2x plus 1, and when we will take the value of x which are less than 3, so this will come here, and it will always in negative sign, because why? Because suppose we are here we are going to take minus suppose 2, so 2 minus 3 which is negative, so we have to multiply x minus 3 by minus, okay, equal to 2x plus 1. So here we got two equation, and now we have to solve these two equation. So first we are going to solve x minus 3 equal to 2x plus 1. So x minus 3, 2x, I am going to send this number x to another side, that side, so minus 3, and I am going to send this 1 to this side. Okay, so it will be minus 1 and 2x minus x. It means x is equal to minus 4. Now we are going to solve this equation. So first of all multiply by minus number, so minus x plus 3 equal to 2x plus 1. Now we are going to send minus x in this side. Okay, so here 3 left, and we are going to send 1 this side, so it will be in negative sign. So 2x and plus x, 3x equal to 2, x equal to 2 by 3. So we got the value of x as minus 4 and 2 by 3. But we have to see that here we have taken the value of x which are less than minus 3, so we have to see that this number is less than minus 3 or not. So this number is less than minus 4 minus 3, so it is our solution. And now we are going to take a number which are greater than 3. Okay, but here 2 by 3 is not greater than 3, so this will be not our solution. So our solution will be only x equal to minus 4. This is our answer. Okay, thank you.